See, once I was in a train, the train was late. The train also was late. I was in the train, and this person was even later than the train. How did they expect that the train would be waiting for them? Got into the train, got the upper bunk, and next thing is, our food packets open. And we don't eat alone. We have to have conversation when we eat. So he brought out his food and started talking. I was waiting in the train for 3 hours, and I was reading my Bhagavad Gita. These days, that's the only place you can read it. There's no place you have time, you know. So I was reading the Bhagavad Gita. So sitting on the upper bunk, he's asking me, "What are you reading?" Yeah? So I showed him the Bhagavad Gita. I'm reading the Bhagavad Gita. So he said, "Tell me in short." Just like I have to tell you in short everything that the Bhagavad Gita says in 800 verses, but he was telling in shorter than 30 minutes. My Guru had taught me that there will be such railway travelers who, to make conversation, will tell you that in short, tell me the Bhagavad Gita. And he said, tell the truth straight away. Yeah? And just say very nicely that the substratum of this world is the seer of the world. You understood anything? He also didn't understand. Yeah? From that time onwards, he will ask no more questions on the Gita. Anyway, he stopped asking the questions on the Gita, but since I was in no mood of asking questions, he started asking me why I'm wearing orange, and finally like that, I'm making conversation. One whole night in the train passed away. Next day morning, he's telling me, by the way, where are you off to? I was going to Chennai. South India I was going. So I said, I'm going down to, I said, he won't know Coimbatore, but everybody knows Madras. South is Madras. No? So I said, I'm going down south to Madras. I was actually going to Coimbatore, where our international school is. So I said, I'm going there. So he said, where is Coimbatore? I said, Madras. So he said, see how much science has developed, no? I said, science is constantly developing. How wonderful. The upper bunk is going to Delhi and the lower bunk is going to the... Is it possible sitting in the same train? Yet the irony is, we want to reach that which is permanent, but all our life's effort goes in trying to get that which is impermanent. And therefore this uneasy insecurity is there in everyone. We will lose